I'll be filming the installation of my car mats I got from Diamond Car Company. They came in a bag just like this. It's a big sack. That's how they come in folded. Alright, now let's take these bad boys out. Gentlemen, this is how it looks when you can fill it out. I think this is the one for the passenger side. How the stitching looks. Feels pretty durable. Check out the rest. Oh, this is for the back. So it was about $200 to get the interior, and plus the trunk, it was an extra $100. So around $300 total. It came in about 3 to 4 weeks. Not too bad. It's the company I got it from, Diamond Supply. This one's like for the passenger side. And this one must be for the trunk. Yep. Alright, let's get some installed in it. So I'll start off passenger side. Follow me. Alright, so the fitment's pretty snug. It covers up all of this on the sides. It has these little clips that you just push it in and you tuck it right underneath where it stays in. Nothing's not coming off. Pretty neat so far. It covers all this side too, goes all the way to the back. Alright, let's see how the back one fits. Alright, I'm gonna strap these things all in and I'll see you guys when it's all ready. Alright, all done installing. Took about like 5 minutes. I'm satisfied with the fitment. Just tuck it right underneath here. Goes pretty far under too. The sides right here, they kind of overlap. That's fine. There you go. Front. Goes to the sides. All the way to the back of the side seat. These are just wrinkles, but they'll come out in time. Just the way the packaging was. It's very nice though. car for sure. Trunk came with extra Velcro, some more clips, you know, just in case like it's loose, you just attach them in. So I like the filming a lot. Rock with it. It matches the red stitching I already have, the red belts. This shit is like 32, it's not coming off. Yeah, thanks for watching. I suggest these. Take a look at the car.